Industrial Revolution, human technology such as cars and factories has been burning oil and releasing carbon dioxide into our atmosphere. It is widely known that the extra carbon dioxide leads to climate change. Most people don't know that it also leads to a process known as ocean acidification. Ocean acidification is an environmentally taxing process that threatens the entire ecosystem of our oceans. Certain reactions have both a forward and backward reaction rate. Equilibrium when the forward and backward reaction rates are the same. K is the equilibrium constant. K is equal to the ratio of the concentrations of products and reactants. It can also be used to calculate the amount of each reaction in equilibrium. When more carbon dioxide is added to the atmosphere, the ocean and the air are no longer in equilibrium. Le Chatelier's principle says that when a reaction is added to one side of the reaction, the equilibrium shifts to the other side. This means that more CO2 will continue to be dissolved from the ocean until it is again in equilibrium with the atmosphere. CO2 and H2O, the carbon dioxide dissolved into the ocean and the water in the ocean are attracted to each other. An ion is an atom or molecule that is either positively or negatively charged. A positively charged ion is called a cation, and a negatively charged ion is called an anion. Anions and cations are attracted to each other. Some ions are attracted more strongly to other ions. These ions break their original bonds to form new bonds. The carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and the water in the ocean are attracted to each other. They bond together to form carbonic acid. pH is a measure of the acidity of a solution. The higher pH means that a solution is more basic, while a lower pH means that a solution is more acidic. There are two types of acids and bases, strong and weak. Weak acids and bases, however, are not less potent than strong acids and bases. The difference between strong and weak acids and bases is that strong acids and bases do not participate in equilibrium, while weak acids and bases do. Ka is the equilibrium constant for acids and is related to the concentration of hydrogen ion. Kb is the equilibrium constant for bases and is related to the concentration of hydroxide. Production of carbonic acid in oceans lowers the ocean's pH. Although the pH is lowered by a small amount, because pH is logarithmically related to the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide, a small drop in pH results in a larger change in acidity. And I think I'm walking in. Ocean acidification is also harmful to many sea-dwelling organisms. Solubility is the number of grams of solute dissolved in 1 liter of a saturated solution. Calcium carbonate, which is found in the shells of marine life and coral, is not soluble in water. However, carbonic acid is soluble in water. Carbonic acid bonds with carbonate, taking it away from the organism, which would normally use it to build its shell. In this way, ocean acidification slowly deteriorates the organism's shells. Water has very high polarity. This allows carbonate, as well as other ions, to exist in their ionic states and ultimately to form bonds with other ions and molecules while in water. Scientists believe that many species of organisms with calcium carbonate shells will become extinct because of ocean acidification. There are currently many efforts to stop the effects of ocean acidification, but for many species living in our oceans it may already be too late.